Konnichiwa, this is Taiki. Today, we're gonna learn how to say I want. You wanna say? hoshii. Hoshii means want. Only when the speaker wants it. Meaning, subject has to be I. I'm gonna cover a third person, which is he, she, James, Adam, Natalie. How to say? Third person, want. But first, I want to cover I want as a first person. Example. 私はネックレスが欲しい。私はネックレスが欲しい。私 I. But since I talk about this in many of my videos, we tend to drop 私 because we assume that unless you specify someone, you're talking about yourself. ネックレス necklace が欲しい want. I want a necklace. Simple. Let's do another example. お金が欲しい。お金が欲しい。お金 means money. お金が欲しい。I want money. Now, let us move on to wants, third person. He, she wants. Adam wants. Natalie wants. Which is going to be 欲しがっている。欲しがっている。Okay? Wants has to be the third person. 弟がゲームを欲しがっている。弟がゲームを欲しがっている。弟 younger brother ゲーム video game 欲しがっている。He wants a video game. Now, pay attention to the particle here. Last time we did hoshii, we didn't use all. Do you remember what we did? We used ga, necklace ga hoshii. But when it's third person, you want to use all. You don't want to say game ga hoshigatteru. Otherwise, it sounds like the video game wants something. Why? Sometimes there's no rule. There's no explanation. Every language is weird. There's no explanation. Why it's all when it's third person and why it's ga when it's first person. But if I were to give an explanation, I believe hoshigatteru is considered verb, whereas hoshii is an adjective, adjective. Because you can use 欲しいもの something I want. 欲しい is modifying もの which is something, thing that might explain why that is. If it's adjective, you typically want to use ga. If it's a verb, you want to use all. If you want to learn about those particles, I put videos up right here. You can check it out. Let's go back to 欲しがっている. Let's do one more example. 彼女がフライパンを欲しがっている。彼女がフライパンを欲しがっている。彼女 girlfriend フライパン frying pan 欲しがっている。wants. My girlfriend wants a frying pan. Frying pan. My girlfriend wants frying pan. That is 欲しがっている。You can use 欲しい欲しがっている when you want someone to do something for you. So let's go back to 欲しい。In this case, you want to have te form of verb 欲しい。I want someone to do. I want someone to verb. So you're gonna have te form. If you're not familiar with te form, I highly recommend you check this video out. 教えてほしい。教えてほしい。I want you to teach me. Not specifying. This might be contextual. I might be good at dancing. They might say, oh, I want you to teach me how to dance. 教えてほしい。If you want to have like context, because it was not clear unless there was context, 兄に英語を教えてほしい。兄に英語を教えてほしい。兄 older brother 英語 English 教えてほしい want him to teach. Now, how do you know if it's I want him teach me? How do you know if it's I want? Because you're using hoshii. I want my older brother to teach me English. If it's a third person, you want to use もらいたがっている。Third person wants somebody else to do something. I know it's a lot to take, but I want you to remember this phrase. アダムはフランシスに教えてもらいたがっている。アダムはフランシスに教えてもらいたがっている。Adam wants Francis to teach him. Okay? Same goes for 欲しい also. 兄に英語を教えてほしい。兄に英語を教えてほしい。Go back to the example. 兄に You want to have に after the person you want them to do something for you. If that makes sense. 教えてもらいたがっている。Adam wants Francis because wants want. You want someone to do. You want to have that someone before に Adam はフランシスに教えてもらいたがっている。Adam wants Francis to tell him. Teach him something. 教える can mean teach and tell. Again, this is contextual. So if I were to give you a more detailed example, 愛はナタリーに料理を教えてもらいたがってる。愛はナタリーに料理を教えてもらいたがっている。I want Natalie, because wants Natalie, to teach her how to cook. It's a long sentence, but if you try to break this down, you will get it. I was topic, subject, Natalie. So want someone, see? Ni. So who do you want? Who does she want her to do something? Natalie. So this is the master. Teacher is here. 料理 cooking. を object marker 教えてもらいたがっている I want Natalie to teach her how to cook. That's 手本プラスもらいたがってる That's how you make sentences. That's related to want. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please give a thumbs up and share my video so a lot of learners can benefit from my videos also. And subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of these Japanese education videos. And if you want to have a private one-on-one lesson with me, I have a link in the description below. You can check it out. And I'll see you in the next one. Until next time.